Stop paying hundreds of dollars for PDF editing softwares when you can get professional results for absolutely free. I'm about to show you the 10 best free PDF editors that are dominating 2025, and trust me, some of these will blow your mind with what they can do. This list will save you serious money while giving you all the tools you need. Having tested a bunch of these editors, I'm ranking them based on features, ease of use, and real-world performance. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the PDF editors that are changing the game in 2025. Coming in at number 10, we have PDF Gear. Now, don't let the lower ranking fool you. This is actually a solid editor that's been gaining traction in 2025. PDF Gear excels at basic text editing and has a surprisingly clean interface. You can add, delete, and modify text fairly easily, and it handles most common PDF tags without breaking a sweat. The reason why it's at number 10 is because it has limited advanced features compared to other top picks, and the free version has some restriction on batch processing. But if you need something simple and reliable, PDF Gear won't let you down. At number 9, we have Adobe's free online PDF editor. Now, this might surprise you because Adobe makes premium Acrobat Pro, but their free online tools are actually pretty decent. You can add text boxes, sticky notes, highlight text, and even add your signature. The interface is polished. It's Adobe after all, and it works directly in your browser. The downside, however, you need to sign in with an Adobe account. One alternative to Adobe Online PDF Editor you could try is Inkscape. And this one is for everyone who wants absolutely nothing to do with Adobe. Inkscape is a completely free open source vector graphics editor that can handle PDF editing in unique ways. Here's what makes Inkscape different. When you import a PDF, it converts the content into editable vector elements. You can modify shapes, paths, graphics, and even some text elements with precision that traditional PDF editors can't match. If your PDF contains logos, diagrams, or vector graphics that need tweaking, Inkscape gives you professional level control, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The reality check, however, is that Inkscape isn't designed as a PDF editor. It's a graphics editor that can work with PDFs. Complex layout might break, and it handles simple pages better than multi-page documents. At number 8, we have Canva's PDF editor. Now, Canva is known for graphic design, but they've quietly built a surprisingly capable PDF editor. Here's where Canva shines. You can not only edit your PDF, but transform it into stunning visual designs, add graphics, change layouts, apply professional templates. It's like having a designer and PDF editor in one. This is perfect if you are working on presentations, marketing materials, or anything that needs to look visually appealing. The downside, however, is that it is more design focused than traditional PDF editing. So complex document editing can be cumbersome. At number 7, we have PDF Escape, a web-based editor that's been around for years and has a loyal following. It is completely browser based, so no downloads required. PDF Escape is excellent for form filling, basic text editing, and simple annotations. It's reliable, loads quickly, and handles most standard PDF tags without issues. The limitations, however, is it feels a bit dated when compared to newer editors. It has a 100-page limit for free users and lacks some of the advanced features we are seeing in 2025's top editors. But for basic needs, it's solid and trustworthy. At number 6, we have Foxit Reader. This is a desktop application that's been competing with Adobe for years, and their free version is genuinely impressive. Foxit Reader can scan documents, convert images to PDF, and handle basic editing tasks. The interface is professional and familiar if you have used other PDF readers. Where Foxit really shines is in collaboration feature. You can add comments, highlights, and annotations that look professional. The free version is quite generous with features. The catch, however, is the free version lacks OCR support, so you can't search or edit scanned documents easily, and some of the more advanced editing features are locked behind their paid version. Still, for most users, the free version delivers solid performance. Breaking into our top 5, at number 5 is PDF Candy. This web-based editor has really impressed me with its comprehensive toolset and user-friendly approach. Here's what sets PDF Candy apart. It's built for productivity. You can queue up multiple documents for batch editing, which is a game changer if you are processing several PDFs at once. The editing capabilities are robust: text editing, image insertion, page management, merging, splitting, and everything happens in your browser, so it works on any operating system. What I love about PDF Candy is the workflow. You can make all your edits, then download everything at once. It's efficient and well thought out. The only reason it's not higher are some advanced features require creating an account, and processing can be slower with larger files. Number 4 might surprise you. It's Google Docs. Yes, Google Docs can edit PDFs, and it's better than most people realize. Here's the magic. Upload your PDF to Google Drive, open it with Google Docs, and boom, you've got full editing capabilities. Change text, adjust formatting, add images, collaborate with others in real time. The collaboration features are unmatched. Multiple people can edit the same PDF simultaneously, leave comments, suggest changes. It's perfect for team projects. The limitation is formatting. Complex PDFs with intricate layouts, tables, or special formatting might not convert perfectly, but for text-heavy documents and collaborative editing, Google Docs is incredibly powerful and completely free. At number 3, we have LibreOffice Draw, and this is a hidden gem that most people don't even know can edit PDFs. LibreOffice Draw is part of the free LibreOffice suite, and it's surprisingly powerful for PDF editing. Here's what sets LibreOffice Draw apart. You can actually edit the text content of PDFs, not just add annotations on top. You can change fonts, modify paragraphs, adjust layouts. It treats PDFs like editable documents. You can also manipulate images, add new graphics, rearrange page elements, and even combine multiple PDFs. The downside, however, is the interface can feel a bit dated compared to modern editors, and very complex PDFs might not import perfectly. But for most editing tasks, LibreOffice Draw delivers real editing power that rivals paid softwares. Coming in at number 2, and this is exclusively for Mac users, is Apple Preview. If you own a Mac, this might be the only PDF editor you ever need. Preview has a complete set of markup tools that feel native and intuitive. You can highlight, annotate, add shapes, signature, and even do basic text editing. The security features are excellent: password protection, encryption, and it integrates perfectly with Mac OS. You can edit PDFs right from Finder, and everything syncs across your Apple devices. What makes Preview special is how seamlessly it integrates into your workflow. It's fast, reliable, and handles everything most users need. The only reason it's not number 1 is it's Mac only, so Windows and Linux users are out of luck with this one. And our number 1 free PDF editor of 2025 is PDF24 Creator. PDF24 Creator is the complete package: full text editing, image manipulation, page management, conversion tools, security features. It does everything paid software does, but completely free. You can edit text directly, change fonts and formatting, add and remove images, merge and split documents, convert from dozens of file formats. The feature set is genuinely impressive. The interface is clean and intuitive, making complex tasks feel simple. And here's the kicker: no watermark, no time limits, no hidden restrictions. PDF24 Creator proves you don't need to pay hundreds of dollars for professional PDF editing. It's Windows only, which is the only downside. But if you are on Windows, this is hands down the best PDF editor available in 2025. Remember, the best PDF editor is the one that fits your specific needs. If you are on Mac, Preview is incredible. If you need collaboration, Google Docs win. If you want professional features on Windows, PDF24 Creator is unbeatable. And there you have it, guys. The 10 best PDF editors of 2025, tested and ranked. I've literally saved you hundreds of dollars by showing you these alternatives to expensive paid softwares. Whether you're a student, on a budget, or a small business owner, or just someone who occasionally needs to edit PDFs, there's something on this list that works perfectly for you. Which one are you going to try out first? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm always testing new software and finding out ways to save you money while boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy PDF editing. Bye bye.